Hello everybody and welcome to the fourth race of this 2025 season in F1 24. Well, that is unrealistic. That is so unrealistic. What? The reason that I'm saying this is unrealistic is because if you watched the Bahrain Grand Prix, you would know that this is not how tyres work at the Bahrain Grand Prix. Or at least this is not how they did work at the Bahrain Grand Prix. That is very weird. Okay. Sure. Alright, let's go.
The anticipation is real. And this is it. The Bahrain Grand Prix. And it's lights out and away we go.
I'll take caution. Turn off the battle assist. And let's go.
Right,
Oh, wow.
take a look now.
That happened.
The cars coming together right.
That's not how crashes really work.
The restart is moments away as the race continues. And it's lights out.
Yeah, no one started on the hards. I am very glad that I did not start on the hards. Yeah, no, it's not on the hards. Yeah, let's go. I really need to do this quickly because I only have like. Whoops. No. Sam it. I do need to sort of speed the time up a bit because I have like only about 10 minutes more time that I can record for. So that's not the strategy. I just want to correct this. Well, at least now the tire should be better. Right. Not tire should be better. No. At least now the tire should be better. Is this one going to be like really hot tires now? Yeah, tire cooling rate high. So why is it still like this? I don't know. It's doing well for a car that is the 5th fastest car on the grid. He's doing alright. Overtaking Jean-Claude and all that. Okay, lovely podium. How's Carlos Sainz doing so well though? Because I mean, like, he's only there because I got Antonelli. And like, in this, Sainz is like lower rated than Russell. So he's doing much better than Russell. That car also does not deserve to be there. I mean, this car does not deserve to be here. I mean, I don't even know how we're doing this because everyone else is on the same soft tyres. Basically, everyone else has better tyres, and Antonelli is like he's 78 rated. I mean, that's not super high. So how is he leading this race? I don't know. He is somehow though. Perez is also like 86 rated. So how's he not ahead again? Unfortunately. And this is just really weird. I don't know how fast the Mercedes car is. I mean, it might be the fastest. But our car's definitely not the fastest by any stretch of the imagination. How's Sonoda leading? And I know this game doesn't factor in how difficult the car is to drive, but still Sonoda's lower rated than Verstappen is. By quite a large amount. Oh, no, I need to slow that down. Yep, you box now. For mediums, and you box.
Okay, we will box this lap.
Oh, boxing would be optimal. Yeah, let's do it. Double stack. Right, I'm gonna watch this stop. Oh, look. Everyone else is boxing. Not everyone else. Not a small amount of people are boxing. Right. Please, good stop. Lovely. Lovely. Right, Perez. Can we do a good stop with Sergio Perez? We can. The lights are working.
We're currently 11th. In front of you is Alonso. Car ahead is Alonso. 10 seconds. Gap will be applied behind you.
Yeah, come on, I have you can know, okay. This game does factor in undercuts and overcuts, fortunately. Ooh, I am getting quite close to the maximum recording time. I hope there are no safety cars. Do I hope there are no safety cars? I'm not sure. Fuel is not happy. Oh, look at the VSC. Oh, was anyone not boxed? No. Oh, that's a shame for... Is it a shame? I don't know, it's not really a shame for anyone. I mean, it's a shame for the... It's a shame for Gabriel Portoletto, I guess. Right. Okay, black and white. It's definitely not a shame for our fuel. That is very much happy.
Happy to do less LIGO. Turn fun. You are doing a good job. Continue like this. In front we have first tap in.
Yeah, no one's got this happen. Does he need to box? Almost certainly not. I mean, I hope his tyres are going to die at the end. But I doubt they will. Yeah, I very much doubt they will. They've got 52% left, and there's like 13 laps the race left, including this one. 2-8 will be a mega result, though. Wait, we're catching this happen. No, we're not. Just gonna push on fuel a tiny bit more. Nope. P2. That was very nearly 4 wide. Okay, not P2. Yes, P2, maybe. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. What was happening? What? That was... Well, that was not a good strategy. That was a very bad strategy. For a Red Bull. What was that? A 3-stop? What? A 3-stop? Everyone else did a 1-stop. Literally everyone else did a 1-stop. Oh my god, we're going to win this race. Oh, okay.
Try to increase pushing status.
Hooray! Also, no, we're not going to win this race. What are we? Am I going to have enough time to be able to show you if we're going to finish this race? Maybe. Maybe not. I mean, I hope so. But also at the same time, I might not. I'm going to have to edit some bits of this out. Am I? Well, certainly can't watch this final lap at normal speed. Come on, Antonelli. Yeah. Oh god, no, the fuel. Ah, no. Oh, I hate myself. I hate myself. Subscribe.